So recently, while I was on an 8-day road trip across the western provinces of Canada, we stopped at a Walmart and a Winners in Brandon, Manitoba, and I saw these at Winners in Brandon, and I thought these were just so adorable. These are the light up pumpkins. I already put batteries in here. They need 3 batteries, 3 AA batteries. They have a switch to turn on, and you have this beautiful lighted pumpkin. Now they had these in many different colors, but these are fine glass. And so I did not want to buy one there because we had 4 people in the car, which meant 4 pieces of luggage that had to come in and out of the car every single day, and I did not want to chance this breaking. So when we got back home, I went to my local Winners to see if they had these as well. Now our local Winners did not have the variety that they had in Brandon, Manitoba, but they did have this one that I had wanted. They also had a green one and a white one, and I had a hard time choosing between which one I wanted, but they are $24.99, so I walked away with just one of them, and I chose this orange one. And now I'm going to show you how I'm going to display this for the fall. I know we're still in Christmas in July, but I couldn't resist this beautiful pumpkin. So for this centerpiece, I will be using this decorative cake tray. Now this is just a plastic cake tray that I picked up at the Dollar Tree some months ago, so I've had it in my stash for a while now. This plate is 11 inches in diameter, so I think that this is the perfect size and will work out great for this centerpiece. So all that I'm going to do with this tray is take the label off and give it a good wipe down. So here I have this eucalyptus leaf wreath. Now I got this one, I think back in 2023 from Temu. It was in one of my first orders, I think, from Temu. It was advertised as an 18-inch wreath, and I suppose that you may be able to fluff it out to reach 18 inches, but the inside plastic form is 12 inches. So this fits perfectly into this cake tray. Now I suppose I could hot glue that in place around the rim where it sits in the tray, but as it is, I think I'm just going to set it in there as a base because this is not going to be a permanent centerpiece, but it does fit perfectly in there, as you can see. Now here I have this piece that I picked up from Value Village, which is a thrift store here in Canada. Oh, my rabbits are being loud. Anyway, the Value Village stores are thrift stores here in Canada. Now I'm sure it might have some things missing. I mean, there's a reason that people give things away or donate them to thrift stores. But this piece really caught my eye. I loved the details of the pumpkins, has nice little orange flowers on it, very fall looking, and the beautiful, very nicely detailed acorns. And so I picked this one up, and I have since taken the price tag off, so I don't remember what I paid for it, but I'm sure it wasn't very much. Now I'm going to try and use this piece to layer my wreath for my centerpiece. So let's see if I can make this work. So here I have it put together. So I just kind of laid this thrift store piece on top of the wreath, and then just kind of intertwined it, wrapped it around, tucked it under here and there, and I picked up some of the leaves and tried to just cover up some of the brown stems, not all of it, because I do want some of it showing. And it does look like this piece may be missing a pumpkin over here, and I wish I had one that kind of looked the same to put in there. Maybe a bow would look nice in there. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Now I just put this together very quickly. It took me only a few minutes. I just grabbed some things from my craft room to put this piece together. There are so many different things that I could do with this, but this is what I did with it today. Now what would you do with this pumpkin? Would you put a ribbon on the pumpkin stem? Possibly take some rub and buff and add a little bit of gold to the stem, not much because we still would want some of the original showing, but there are just so many options for these beautiful lighted pumpkins that they have at Winners, and I'm so tempted to get the other ones because they were beautiful. Anyway, thanks for watching.